kamusta kayo? Hope you're all doing well. Maraming salamat for visiting my channel, 1111 Pinoy Tarot. This is a general reading, not a one-to-one. So, hindi po lahat ay makaka-resonate. You can also watch your moon, rising, and Venus placements so you can get the most of your reading. Please subscribe, like, comment, and share. And please tap the bell for notification from this channel. All my readings are timeless. Pwede kayong maging bukas sa mga messages anytime you come across this video. There's no time in spirit. I'm doing readings for all signs every week for love and guidance. Maraming salamat sa inyo, Aries. Let's see what are the energies and the messages for you. Aries. What is the messages for Aries? Aries. Background check. Okay. Yung iba sa inyo, you are doing background check. Prospecting, okay? Yeah. Background check about your clients or customers. Yeah. Okay. Job loss, termination of employment. Yung iba sa inyo, you are quitting a job, okay? Magpapalit kayo ng trabaho. Naghahanap kayo ng mas magandang kumpanya or trabaho. Okay? Selling. Okay? Yung iba sa inyo ay papasukin ang entrepreneurship or pagbebenta, maybe online or offline. Okay? For some of you, you are working in a coffee shop. Yeah. Okay. Or a restaurant. Yeah. Yung iba magbubukas ng kainan, okay, or coffee shop. Okay? That is for some of you. Okay? You will be quitting a job dahil papasukin mo ang isang negosyo. Okay? Yeah. Nagpa-background check kayo. You are doing surveys. Unemployment, need a job. Okay? Yes. Yung iba sa inyo, maglilipat ng trabaho. Okay? Yung iba ay self-employed or walang work for now and nag-a-apply kayo. Okay? Keep on searching for job. Yeah. Do not give up. Okay? Training. Yung iba sa inyo, meron kayong mga trainings and seminar na atinan. Okay? Which is kailangan sa inyong trabaho. Okay. Or orientation. Meron kayong atinan na orientation. Or meron kayong pupuntahan ng mga job fairs. Okay? Aries. For Aries, please. Energies, messages for Aries. Angel, spiritual guidance, protection from harm. Okay? Meron kayong angel na nagpoprotekta sa inyo. Okay, you are protected, Aries. Dolphin, financial gain, usually coming from something you did in the past. Okay. Meron kayong nagawa na maganda in the past and now binabalik sa inyo, Aries. Okay, good karma. Throne, position of authority. Yung iba sa inyo, merong mahalaga or mataas na posisyon sa trabaho, okay? They honor you, they respect you, okay? They follow your leads. Wind chimes, peace and harmony. Merong pagkakaintindihan, okay? In your family members or in your home life. Merong harmony and peace. Feather, someone you know is undependable and insincere. Okay? Be aware of that. Merong someone na hindi mapagkakatiwalaan at hindi din sincere sa inyo. So, be aware sa mga tao na inyong nakakasalamuha. Okay? May mga taong hindi totoo sa inyo. Okay? Egg, success assured with good plans and hard work. So, good plans and hard work together, success is assured. Okay? Merong tagumpay na makukuha kung merong pagpaplano. Okay? If you are working hard, working hard and working smart. Okay? Tingnan natin kung ano yung messages from the Tower for Aries. Okay, Aries. Merong success sa inyong tinatrabaho sa ngayon. Okay. Aries, please, ano yung mga energies and messages? Ano yung mga paparating na energies for Aries, please? Aries, ano yung mga energies and messages na paparating for Aries? The Hangman. Okay. Kailangan mo ng pahinga. Yeah, take a break. Okay. May mga naisip kayo na ideas while you are taking a break. Okay? If you have control issues sa trabaho man to or sa inyong family, let it go. Okay? Kung may mga changes, embrace it. Okay? And you will learn something new from that change, sa mga pagbabago na yan. Okay? Kung meron kayong may problema kayo at meron kayong pinipilit, let go of it. Okay? Be patient also kung meron kayong inaantay na opportunities. Okay? Let go also. The Magician. Yeah. Meron kang ability to move forward and to gain success. Meron kang kakayahan. Okay? Make a decision for some of you. You have the ability to decide and to do what you think is right para sa inyo. Okay? You are manifesting your dreams. Meron kayong gustong mangyari. Okay? So, practice your skills, your ability. Okay? Yeah. May mga options, yung iba sa inyo, may mga options kayo na pinagpipilian. Okay? May kailangan kayong mga desisyon na gagawin. Okay? Yeah. Merong celebration, announcement of good news that calls for celebration, Aries. Okay? Yung iba sa inyo, marami kayong naiisip or mga nakaplano na gagawin. Parties or events. Okay? Activities. Yeah. Merong success sa inyong ginagawa. Okay? You are a powerful person, a creative one. Okay? You provide solution kung meron man kayong mga problema. Okay? Or even yung problems ng mga ibang tao, nabibigyan nyo ng solusyon. You are a powerful person. Okay? You are a decision maker. Yeah. For some of you, you need to take a break, relax. Let go of your control issues. Kung may mga issues kayo, maybe you are a controlling person at the same time or matigas ang ulo. Okay? Let go. of control issues. Release yourself from it. Do not overthink, okay? Yeah. Support. Okay? May mga blessings na parating sa inyo. You are a blessed person, Aries. Okay? Merong love and support. Okay? Yeah. Your friends are celebrating you. May mga gatherings. Yeah. A blessing from heaven. Okay? Makakatanggap kayo. That will make you very happy. You feel that you are really loved and supported by the people na nasa paligid ninyo. Okay? May mga exciting na mga pangyayari or events kayong naiisip. Exciting plans for the future. You are looking forward to it. Yeah. Something creative. Okay? A creative opportunity. May mga ideas kayong naiisip. Yes. New ideas. Okay? Creative solutions. You're thinking about it. Bagong opportunity. Ito'y magbibigay sa inyo ng chance para makapag-expand or mag-grow kayo further sa inyong ginagawa or sa inyong trabaho. Okay? Merong opportunity na darating for career advancement. Okay? Yeah. Yeah. Okay. May mga choices kayong gagawin, okay, or decision na gagawin. Okay? Choices, complex decision about a relationship, okay, about someone. A love relationship. Intimacy. You're thinking about that. You're excited or looking forward para makita yung tao na to or makasama ang tao na to. That is for some of you. Yes. May mga negative thoughts, okay? Nag-iisip kayo ng hindi maganda or nawawalan kayo ng confidence. Parang hindi mo alam kung anong gagawin mo, no? Aries. Okay? Yeah. Negative thoughts. Kawalan ng confidence sa sarili. Okay? Believe in yourself. Remember, you are a powerful person, okay? Do not underestimate yourself. Okay? Yeah. Kung ano man to, yung mga difficulties ninyo or may mga backstabbing na nangyayari sa inyo, you will be able to overcome it. Okay? The end of difficulties for you, okay? You have to let it go. Huwag isipin palagi yung mga inggit. Yeah. May mga backstabber. Okay? Huwag mawala ng kumpiyansa sa sarili, Aries. Magtiwala sa sarili, okay? Huwag masyado isipin. Yeah. Yung iba sa inyo, you need enlightenment because of your past experiences, past disappointments, okay? You're looking for answers kung bakit merong rejection or disappointment. Okay? Yung iba sa inyo, naghahanap ng solusyon or ng paraan for you to be able to move forward. Okay? You are enlightened. Okay? past relationships, merong regrets and disappointments. You are enlightened of that already. Okay? Nagkaroon kayo ng kaliwanagan, ng sagot sa mga tanong ninyo. Okay? Yeah, for some of you, you are disappointed of some creative endeavor. Okay? It didn't turn out the way you'd hope. Yeah? Pero wag mawala ng pag-asa. Be kind. Okay? Okay? Kung meron mang disappointment sa inyong trabaho, kung may mga challenges man, deal it in a kind and understanding manner. Yes. Yung iba sa inyo, you need to make time for your family or for your loved ones or to your mother. Okay? Make some time with them. Knight of Swords. May mga options kayo na gagawin, okay? But kailangan mo i-review yan, pag-isipan ng mabuti. Okay? Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Merong partnership. Merong gustong makipag-partner up sa inyo or makipag-collab. Okay? Yeah. Two of Cups. Yeah. Kung meron mang hindi pagkakaintindihan between you and this person, okay, there will be forgiveness. A positive resolution of a conflict. Okay? Or kung hindi man, someone wants to get, merong someone na gusto makipag-close sa inyo. Okay? Yeah. Okay? For some of you, yung partnership ninyo or you're getting closer, okay, nagkakaroon ng improvement ang inyong relasyon with your person, Aries, okay? Yeah. Merong gustong makipag-ayos sa inyo, okay? Gusto nila makipag-close or makipag-ayos kung meron mang conflict, okay? Alright? So, forgive. Kung mayroong conflict, you will kakaroon kayo ng resolution, positive resolution kung meron mang hindi pagkakaayos dati or merong conflict or challenge sa inyong relationship with your partner or with someone that is an earth sign, okay? So, make time with them also. Kung merong mga challenges or disappointments sa life ninyo, deal with it in a kind and understanding manner. Okay? Yeah. merong disappointment or regrets. Maybe siguro masyado kayong busy kayo or madami kayong ginagawa. And for some of you, you have to reject some opportunities. Okay? Just take what resonates for you, Aries, and leave the rest. Okay? So, may mga celebration, blessings for you. Okay? Tingnan natin. Ano yung message? Message from the Spirit Messages Oracle cards for Aries. Message for Aries, please. Focus your mindset on what you can control instead of what you cannot. The world is your oyster. Elevate your thought patterns so that you can attract abundance into your life. You are what you believe. Okay. Yeah. For some of you, may mga negative na thought patterns, okay? You need to overcome it, Aries. Believe in yourself, okay? Have confidence. If you're seeing the number 29, this is the message for you. You are highly intuitive and creative. Your mind thinks in pictures, and you seem to draw information and ideas from out of the sky. A powerful drive to know the oneness of all things. I am insightful, okay? So, all the best to you. Aries, maraming salamat sa inyo, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye!